This is Jim's first time with the hair system, and he installed it himself. He watched my videos and went step by step. And just like I kind of say on the videos, there is a learning curve to it, but I'm telling you, he did a great job, and I've just cut it in, and there's not a person in the world that would be able to look at him and say, man, you got a hair system on. Totally and completely natural. What do you think, James?
I agree with you 100%. You do not expect to look like Rick. Do not expect it.
You know,
take some time.
You know, he's probably right, but oh well. So what I explained to James is that he had a picture of how he wanted his hair to look, and we're gonna get real close to that. But with these systems, I explained to him, it's better to kind of see what it wants to do and kind of go with that than to try to force it into something. And so we're going to get real close to target on this. But this system from Super Hair Pieces, the quality of it is really, really good. The texture of it's good. It seems really, really healthy. And it's got just the right amount of body in it. So he's going to leave here a new man today. No doubt about it.